Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Instagram error. So if you see black screen when you open Instagram or camera on Instagram, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and open again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data if you're using mobile data. And if it doesn't help you, just tap on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also try another way. So just try to update your Instagram. Just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.